awesome offense of Tony Harris.
Solis, aside, Dono! He is all revved up.
Anong klaseng dang ang pinakita nitong si Velasco sa atin sa magsimula nitong second quarter? Kaliwa pa yun.
Meron partner, ha? A left-handed slam dunk. And look at it there. Sumakay ka pa.
Umangat si Maras. Panoorin muna natin to. Whoa! Benji Maras. May kasama bang foul?
Giant slam.
Monster slam para kay Tower of Power. Sumabay ka pa. Oh, naiwanan si Balingin dito, partner. At si Velasco, last line. Binigay kay Asa ito. No! Wow! Oh my goodness! May contest pa! Ikaw na ang
Well, 5 out of 8 from the field. That's not a bad percentage for him.
Whoop! Another one!
Ano yan? Baseline reversal of slam.
Wow! Nilaksak ni Victor Pato sa harapan ni Andy Siegel. Sabi niya, ito naman ang Filipino style. Dito sa...
Goal ng 39, halos 39%.
Kanilang mga in your face.
Nakirada ni Jun Limpon.
Anthony Reyes. He's on edge off to Marlo Aquino for the slam. That was a great play. And he's on the penetration, drawing the defense to him. Inabot na lang kay Marlo Aquino for an easy slam.
And the stairless.
Slam in your face. Oh, what a pass. Unselfish play. That has been the hallmark of the style of Inagasan Miguel dito sa Filipino Congress.
Dunk shot plus a foul. Alam mo, Doc, yan ang matagal lang hinahanap niya, Andy Siegel. Yung aggressiveness and explosiveness going to the basket. Finally, he shows it with this.
Solid Andy Siegel for the slam. Partner si Marlo Aquino stayed behind, did not.
Bounty dito sa 5. Team Wongler. Wala ito. Nagpakita ng isang kalambang.
2 missed shots.
You better check.
Marlo Aquino.
In your face.
At binigay niya kay Jun Limpon. Jun Limpon slams one home.
Inside. What a movement. Asa ito. In right. Pagpapasok.
Well, Sulagay. Santos, binigay kay Pablo. What a nice dunk.
Fired up nila. Aquino.